Here is another video after a long time. Actually, I was very busy, that's why I could not make any video. But I hope that now I will make some videos on a regular base to help you guys. So these are very important questions that will definitely going to help you for your exam preparation for 309A license exam. So let's start. So just pay your attention on this question with the circle. This is a very important question. What's the minimum size of conductor in two conductor plus bond FAS cable that can be installed in a run of EMT for an alarm initiating circuit of a fire alarm? So you can verify this. There are hints. You can see rule. This is the chapter number. So this is a very important question, and this you can just ignore. I will follow the same procedure. The most important that I guess that it will be in the exam. And 34, which instrument is used to take the dielectric stress of high voltage cable before installing? This is very important. This is a general question, you don't find it in the book. And then question 35, how many volts on a digital voltmeter will be read? And then we have 36, non-conductive optical fiber cable can be installed. This you will find in rule 56 chapter, rule 2001. These types of questions are very important, and definitely you will find two questions minimum in the real exam. And this minimum size of the junction box, one question is a must, short shot in the exam. And then 38, 39, just ignore. 41. Underground service cable is to run up a pole for the connection to the supply authority line. And these kind of uh, question I told you before. I think three or four questions will be there. So just pay your attention because these are very important. They change sometimes the wording in the question, so you have to be very careful. Like this pole, mechanical protection over the underground. Such wording is very important. And then we continue to question 44, the line voltage of three-phase four-way transformer. Okay, one question is must of this type. And figure eight, you can see wherever the figure is mentioned, you can go to my previous video before this. So that was with the figure. So you can easily find out the figures. And if you still don't find something, just write in the comment section so I can help you in that way. So the motor running in the forward position when the selector switch is in the manual. If a ground occur at the point Y in the figure, what will happen to the motor? Okay, these are general questions based upon your experience. Chapter 60, communication cables. I think two questions. Yeah, two questions from this chapter. 400 ampere disconnect switch fuse the 225 ampere feeder panel using PVC. This is also very important. Table 16. Okay, table, you must remember these tables. These are very important, and you must know how to read the tables. I will also make a video about the tables again to elaborate some more explanation. And 48, what is the minimum required burial depth for number 3 AWG RC90? Very important, very important. Two questions. And then this is the general question, one phase or 240 volt delta connected. Okay, these type of questions definitely you will find. And this one, what is the minimum size of rigid metal conduit for a run of conductor required to feed a this chapter? I think table, sorry, table 2, table 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are very important. And then 52, the figure 49, when will the arrow light be on? General question based upon experience. Okay. Then 53, what is to be used when connecting aluminum block to copper? This is also rule 12, 118. And then we continue 57 quickly so that I will finish this. We are starting layout diagram, layout underground service entrance, general question. Okay. And then figure 10, figure 20. Okay. So this is also from diagram 1. And then We continue to 61 using figure 23. When is the pilot at PL3 energized? General question based upon your experience. 62 is also general question. And then 64, this is figure. Just go to the figure, my previous video, you'll find it. 65, dry type transformer with the tap primary and fixed secondary. Okay, a general question. This is also general question. 67 is the rule. This is the motor chapter. 28, very important. I think 4 or 5 questions, but even more from this chapter. And then we go to 70. 70 is a refrigerator. This is also from 28. You see, we'll find log total current, and then move on to 74. In which of the following location can service interconnector supplies? Chapter 6. Okay, chapter 6, chapter 12 is very important also. And this is the timer, general knowledge. General knowledge. These are very important. And then 80, what's the meaning of the cable size? As I said, rule 6. Okay, and table also 1 to 5. And this is about the purpose of overload protection. This is the general knowledge question. Which of the following pairs motor data determines the NEMA size at the start of a motor? General general knowledge. And this 28, chapter 28, motors. Okay, time delay, fuse, and everything. 86, what the purpose of auxiliary contact? General knowledge. Transformer switch for fire pump? General knowledge. Okay, it's also there in the chapter 32, but normally more and less is a general knowledge. And then what is the maximum number of number 3, lighting conductor? 12. 12, I told you chapter 12 is very important. Minimum 5 to 6 questions from this chapter. Very important chapter. Purpose of reduced voltage starting, general knowledge question. In which location in a dwelling unit can be panel would be installed? This is 26. 26, very important. 98, general knowledge. 99, general knowledge. 100, general knowledge. So that's it. These are the 100 questions, very important question. 31 question I already told you in my previous video, and these were the rest of the questions pending since a long time. If you have any question, any explanation, whatever you don't understand, please write me in the comments and I can guide you and I can make another video. So as usual, I need your support. Please keep on subscribing my channel. Thank you very much. See you. Bye.